Well, good evening everyone, it's Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 21st, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody had a great Friday evening. Everybody stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the tropics, plus your local forecast is included. Also we're going to take a look at some severe weather and some general thunderstorms, and also we're going to take a look at the tropics once again by the National Hurricane Center and the current watch and warning advisory map for your location across the nation as well. Alright, let's start off in tropics. You can see the Gulf of Mexico is quiet, the Caribbean is pretty quiet, the land is a little busy but nothing to write home about, just some storm system here moving across colder water, no development expected. Scattered activity of South America, a little bit across Central America. The subtropical jets trying to get its act together. You can see a little bit but not quite as bad as it was. A little bit trying to move toward the Mexican coast. You got a little upper level low spinning over Southern California and also areas of Arizona. Then you can see a plume of moisture coming into the Pacific Northwest over here towards southeast Canada, Washington State, over toward Idaho and Montana, a little bit in Oregon, and then moving into North Dakota, and then moving across the area east of there toward Montana, toward Wyoming. You can see a little bit of activity from Colorado all the way over toward New York State. Kind of a cold frontal boundary, kind of slowly sinking to the south. A little upper level system here moving across the Louisiana area and also across Georgia, which should bring some shower activity to the Carolinas tonight as we roll forward. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, and make sure you subscribe also if you like these daily updates. And also if you know anybody want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, send them my way, load to have them. Alright, we got some shower activity over here in Washington State and also a portion of northwest Oregon, coastal water, mixed precipitation there as well. More mixed precipitation over here around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, northern Michigan, a little bit over towards southeast Canada. More mixed precipitation over here in Utah to Arizona to New Mexico to Colorado. Shower activity over southern Nevada and southern California, northern areas of the Baja region and southwestern Arizona. Shower activity up here from Connecticut to Rhode Island to DC to Virginia, West Virginia, and also Pennsylvania. Then we got thunderstorms and showers for southern Arizona to New Mexico to Texas, northern Gulf to Louisiana to the Carolinas, up toward Kentucky and Tennessee, North Carolina as well, and the Atlantic coastal waters, and like I said, the northern and central Gulf with some thunderstorms and showers there as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory. Your local forecast for your Sunday. Getting ahead of myself, folks, but here is your Sunday outlook. We got some mixed precipitation in Washington State to Oregon to Idaho to Montana through Colorado to New Mexico, Arizona, and also Utah. Then again over here across Ottawa and Toronto, Canada, stretching toward New York State, the portion of Vermont. And then we got some shower activity along Washington, Oregon State, inland areas, northwest California, and the coastal waters. Thunderstorms and showers from Arizona to New Mexico, up to Kansas to Missouri to Arkansas to Texas. More shower activity across northeastern Colorado to New Mexico, portion of Iowa and southern South Dakota. Also, we got some heavy rain, flash flooding over portion of central and northeast Texas and portion of southern Oklahoma regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Now let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map, and it should roll out something like this here. Not too much across the board. You can see it here, just some special weather statements over Maine, also in portions of Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, southeast Missouri. Got some air quality alerts in North Carolina. Dense fog advisories over here in portions of Central California, portion of Idaho. And then you got a winter storm warning down across southern areas of California. Alright, we got a little bit of small craft advisory, gale warnings off the mid-Atlantic coast, a little bit off the North Carolina coast, southern California to Washington State, southern Hawaii and Chain Island. Inland, we got some winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, special weather statement. Western Alaska, you can see we have some heavy freezing spray warning, and also we have some small craft advisory, gale warning, and a little bit of storm warnings to the south, extreme southwest Alaska region. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. It should roll out something like this here. Okay, as you can see, we just got general thunderstorm from Roanoke to Tallahassee to New Orleans to Brownsville to El Paso to Flagstaff and over to Albuquerque. Would not be surprised to see a marginal risk or maybe a strong thunderstorm or severe thunderstorm possible in this thunderstorm outlook area for your Saturday. All right, let's move on to your Sunday outlook now. We're going to take a look at it, and it should look something like this. There's that marginal risk down here from Abilene to Dallas, south and back down towards southern portions of Texas. Then general thunderstorm from Fort Stockton up to Garden City to Austin and areas of San Antonio as well. And a little bit of general thunderstorm along Washington coastal areas as well. Probability 5% across Texas. Alright, tropics should look something like this here as it rolls out here. There we go. Tropical development is not expected over the next 7 days. It should remain quiet for the remainder of November, which ends on November the 30th. We're about 9 days away. This will be the last update on November 30th for the tropics. So we won't be talking about no more tropical activity. So, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video, and we'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.